what is reported speech? You know very well reported speech. The actual word of the speaker called reported speech, and what is indirect speech?
The actual word.
The speaker's word reproduced by the narrator in his or her own words called indirect speech, right? And now, what is the formation of a sentence of reported speech? कैसे sentence होता है reported speech का? It is having two parts, out of inverted comma and inside the inverted comma, right? And we have to revise and identify the tenses of both the parts, right? Means if our reporting verb, the out of inverted comma sentences reporting verb and inverted commas inside sentences reported speech. If our sentence of reporting verb in present and future tense, that time the tense, okay, the tense of reported speech will not change. Clear? If it is in past tense, means reporting verb in past tense, clear? That time the tense will change, means all the changes will be there, like person related change, nearness word related change, tense related change, right? But we have to remember, if our speech in universal truth and it is a habit, okay? अगर हम परमानेंट सिचुएशन किसी की हैबिट या फिर यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ की बात कर रहे हैं, दैट टाइम आल्सो टेंस विल नॉट चेंज. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now we also have to keep in our mind that we have to identify the formation of sentence. Like a reported speech, in which kind of sentence? Reported speech is statement, is imperative, is question, is exclamatory. Got it? तो ये भी हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ओके? Because on the basis of sentence formation we can use or combine this sentence appropriately. It means to join these sentences, which conjunctions we have to use. Okay? And what conjunction we'll use here in place of this inverted commas to combine to join these sentences. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now this is a sentence. You have to identify both the things, like in which tense a reporting verb. Okay? And which kind of sentence is this? Okay, and which is the tense? Okay, all the changes you have to do. Before that, you have to identify. Clear it? Tell me. This is reported speech is a question. It is a question. And I also have told you that question be asked in two manner. In two manner. First manner, in yes or no. Question is asked in yes or no. And second manner, question is asked with WH word, right? So this question is with active verb, means in yes or no, right? Okay. So from this answer, change this question into direct speech. Because this is a question, so set to will change into ask. Keep in your mind, if object is given after set in statement, so this time in statement, not in question, I am talking about statement. So that time this set to will change into told. Clear? Set to will change into told. But here is a question, that time it will change into ask. Or we also have to identify the expression. If expression is something else, like declaration or information, informed, declared, right? So this type of word we have to use in place of this. Clear? Means reporting verb we have to use according to the expression of the sentence. Okay? Yes. Now which conjunction we will use here? If or whether. Very good answer. If or whether. If the question is in yes or no. Is it clear to you? Okay. If, yeah, whether. So I asked Ruhina if she got that. Okay. Clear? In place of it we can use that, and it also can be right here it. Okay. Clear? If she got that. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Identify the tense. This is did you get it? Did in which tense?
Simple past.
Simple past. So what will come here? She had got. Very good answer. Yes. This is reported speech in which kind of sentence and in which tense. Both the things you have to identify. Clear? Shreya, will you tell? Beta, just I am talking about only reported speech. Okay? Because this is only in past tense.
Yes, ma'am.
It is clear to you? Clear? Yes, girl.
Present continuous.
This is a present continuous. And which is the type of sentence?
Interrogative.
This is a question.
Yes.
Right? Interrogative. Clear? So change this into indirect speech. Shekhar will change. Yes, Shekhar. Stand up.
The doctor asked the patient.
Tell next. Yes.
If he feeling better.
If
He feeling better.
why you are using feeling if he feeling better?
And because it is indirect.
It is indirect. चलिए अभी आपने बोला because sorry present if he feeling better. Okay यहाँ पर कुछ मिसिंग नहीं लग रहा आपको? कुछ मिसिंग नहीं लग रहा? आपने तो टेंस चेंज करने की बजाय टेंस से हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी रिमूव कर दी. Am I right? So which helping verb will be here? Means yours reported speech in which tense? In which tense? Present continuous. So present continuous will change in? Present continuous will change in? Past continuous. And what is the helping verb of past continuous? Yes, was verb. Then what will come here? With he? Was. If he was feeling better. Yes, ma'am. Clear? Got it? Take this second one sentence into indirect speech. First, identify which kind of sentence is this. Interrogative. In what manner? Because two manner are of question to ask the question. WH word. Very good. So what will you use to change this? Means when you are going to join the sentence by changing into indirect speech, which conjunction will you use here? How will you change this into indirect speech? Change? Yes? Answer? He asked. Very good. He asked
To him.
No need to mention. If object is not given here, then no need to mention the object. He asked. Why you are using if or that? As I already told that will use in statement, not in question. Got it? If will not use here because if and whether will use when you are going to change a question in yes or no manner. Okay, with helping verb. Got it? So, very good answer. I had already told that WH word will use here as a conjunction in place of inverted commas. Clear? He asked what. Now sentence will the question will change into a statement. What
He was reading.
he was reading. Is this correct or not? Okay. You can take object by yourself here because second person here. Okay. So he asked him. If you are just thinking that he asked me, then you will use here what I was reading. Clear? Yes, ma'am. Yes, beta. Speech. What is the rule of it?
He requested her.
Very good. Requested.
He
Said to will change into requested. According to sentence you have to identify. Okay. Conjunction will change to. Preposition will use here in place of conjunction. Okay. No conjunction will be used here to combine these sentences. So what will be the answer of it? He requested her to wait. Very good. Is it clear to you now?
Yes.
Okay, if I am giving one sentence to you, he said to his friend, let us go for a movie. Inverted comma. Let us go for a movie. How will you change it? Tell me.
He requested his friend.
No.
He asked.
Suggestion is this. This is a suggestion only. So he suggested to his friend. What will you use here? That. Very good. Conjunction that we will use because this is an explanation of the suggestion. Okay. So he suggested his friends that they should go for a movie. Is it clear?
Yes,
Because it is
sir.
suggestion. So you can